Which place you have got interview?
Kottayam, sir.
Kottayam. Good. What is
Yes.
your degree, Darsana?
I did my master's in economics from Central University of Kerala.
Oh, acha. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Because just now I collected questions that were asked to a candidate for economics.
Okay.
So please introduce yourself.
I'm Darshana MS, coming from Kottayam district of Kerala. I did my master's in economics from Central University of Kerala. And I'm a passionate classical dancer, been trained for 14 years, and I'm also a classical Bharatanatyam teacher. And right now I'm working at Barefoot College SWRC. It's an NGO as a program manager in education section.
Oh, good. Tell us about your family.
My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker.
So what are the crops grown by you?
Rubber, plantations, then bananas, green chilies, tomatoes, pepper. These are.
Good.
But it's not for commercial use, it's only for our own use.
Acha. Good.
Yes.
You have done graduation in economics.
Yes,
MA,
sir.
MA economics.
Yes.
Supposing government recognizes you as a very good economist and seeks suggestions from you for implementation, say in their budget or whatever it is. Now, what points will you lay before the government? It's a tough question, I know. It's really a tough question. I have not asked it so far to others. Certainly this topic, yeah. Now, what are the suggestions you will give for improvement in the economy?
In the economy. First of all, we should control the inflation. Our target was to reduce around 1.2 something percentage from last year WPI inflation, but this year we were not able to get to the target. We were only able to manage a percentage from that, and now it is around 5.56 percentage. So it will be really great.
No. Now the percentage, as far as we know, revealed is as on August 6.8. 6.
But it is 5.56 according to PPI. Oh, sorry. I think I got it wrong. But I got the data from PPI.
Now 1 minute. Oh, maybe September data has come. I don't know.
August.
1 minute. India, August 2023 inflation level. I'm 6.83. It is 6.83, India's retail inflation. I will show you. Just a minute. I will show you. Because you are economic student, you cannot commit mistakes. India's retail inflation, which is measured by the consumer price index, eased to 6.83 in August 2023 from 7.44 in July this year, according to latest data from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation.
Right.
But here something else is coming. What is the inflation rate in August? 3.7%. Headline consumer price index was 6 August and 3.7% over the past year.
Right. This is in CPI, consumer price index. What I was talking is in wholesale price index. That's why there was a change.
Then what is the
there was a reason
what is the inflation rate for India? One place they are telling 5.4%. Then what is the inflation rate for 2023 list? Oh, different countries. This is from different countries. Zimbabwe is the worst affected. Venezuela, Sudan, Turkey, Argentina, Sri Lanka, Suriname, Yemen, etc. What is the inflation rate for September? Now, casting is the. No, this is not for us. This is D status D. Is it for India? What is the inflation rate expected? 4.5% expected in September 2023. So anyhow, doesn't matter. Once you see Google, you will get confusion. But still hold on to that 6%, etc. Now the suggestions you can give, what are your things that comes to your mind?
Other than inflation, a strong monetary policy by the Reserve Bank of India, and more focus on education and healthcare services in India. So the budget should include more money for that purposes. Then what we can do is to promote foreign trade. We have to implement strategies in the budget to promote foreign trade, and maybe lesser taxes or more free trade solutions. Yeah. And partnerships with other.
The major point somebody will make a mention is the taxation rate can be brought down so that more income will be revealed by people, and more taxation will come. Already GST is doing very well. So taxation levels can be pruned down. Your recommendation will be taxation level can be pruned down. That is what maximum anybody can say at any date. Whether it will be possible, don't ask me. But that's what economists will say. Okay? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the financial results of Federal Bank?
Yeah, according to the latest Q1 results, we have got the net worth of Federal Bank as 22,247.75 crores. Then the total business was around 4.06 lakh crore. We got a total deposit of total deposit of 2.22 lakh crores and a profit of 853.74 crores.
You omitted advances. How much? Advances, how much?
Yes, advances 1.87 lakh crore.
Good. Excellent. What is the GNPA, NNPA percentage?
GNPA is at 2.338, right? And NNPA at 0.69.
1 minute, hold on. Yeah. Now, you told about all that. Then what is the capital adequacy ratio of Federal Bank now? Capital adequacy. 14
yes,
point.
sir, I don't remember exactly. It was 14 point something.
Something you cannot say. 14.28%. Are you seeing on the screen? Are you seeing on the screen?
No. No, sir. Maybe I have some network issues. I'm not seeing.
No. I have not shared properly. Now I think you are able to see that.
Yes.
Total business, then capital adequacy ratio. Then this question they have not been asking. Book value per share increased to 105.04. Share price of Federal Bank as on 10/10. Federal Bank
Today,
Share
146 point.
1.46.65.
Yes.
146.65. I'm changing it. This is as on 10, 10, 23.
Yeah.
Tell 11 or 10, today. Achha,
11.
11. Mistake. 11, 10, 23. And market. What time? Sorry, 1 minute. I was asking about this one. This 1 minute. I was searching for 1 minute. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I was searching for the price, no? That market capitalization is another thing they will ask. 345.63 billion.
Yes.
345.63, because your interview is going to be tomorrow. If you are
Tomorrow,
ready
yes.
with this is sufficient for you.
Yes, sir.
And equity capital is 423.60. Talking about say now Federal Bank, what are the latest information you would like to tell about Federal Bank?
Very recently, Federal Bank has introduced the UPI Lite, in which we can do all the banking transactions, but in a very light app. So that's the newest implementation of Federal Bank. And now we can see the scan and pay system of Federal Bank in so many shops. And even today, I saw that in a nearby shop. So all the innovations are coming to the market.
I am posting a video today of important points you have to remember. One, there is a material in our WhatsApp page about us that you can see that. This is the page of us. There is one about us, that page. Then this editorial I have posted. Please go through the important editorials for tomorrow's interview. Then I have posted top stories taken from Economic Times. So please go through that. Then other things are like this one. Some thermal power project. This is in respect of Andhra Pradesh. This also you go through. Then about this figure, this I have already explained. Then this is the one I said about Federal Bank. You go through. About digital products also given. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please, these things you must go through them thoroughly and be thorough. You must update your knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Gaurav, you are come.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Gaurav. How are you?
Sir, fine, sir. Feeling better after talking to you.
Yeah, thank you. Now, here is an opportunity for you. You are a manager. You are going to become a senior manager. Now, please put some questions that comes to your mind for this girl who has done MA in economics, appearing for Federal Bank interview tomorrow. Now, you can take into account current affairs. You can take into account economy. And you can take into account some of the basic things regarding banking.
Fine, sir. Sir, regarding economics, I would like to put some question like what is break-even point?
What break-even? Oh, good question. This is a very favorite question in many interviews. Darsana, please tell us what is break-even point?
Sir.
Break-even point. You are not able to remember? You are not able to tell?
Yeah, sir. That's a point at which the cost and the revenues will be the same.
No profit, no
So that
loss.
I will
You
not-
must,
Yeah,
you
no
must,
profit, no.
you must use the word no profit, no loss. The break-even
Yes.
point is the level of production at which the cost of production equals the revenue for a product. This is the thing.
Yes.
This is the thing. Yes, the Gaurav, next question.
Next question is, what do you mean by asset and liability in the bank?
Super.
So the assets will be
What are the assets
Yeah.
in bank?
What
are
would
the
be the
liability?
asset for the bank and what would be the liability for the bank?
okay. The assets will be whatever whenever the bank get an income, all the sources of that income will be the assets. For example, the loans given by the bank to the people, that comes under assets. Whereas liabilities, it's actually the things that the bank have to repay. For example, the loans that they have taken from RBI or from another commercial bank. Yeah, all those comes under
So whether
liabilities.
saving account maintained by bank, customer saving accounts maintained by bank will be classified under asset or liability.
Customer savings account will be classified as they have to give interest. Yeah, it's liability.
Okay.
That is correct.
Yeah, that's
But
correct. That's correct.
Darsana, but while starting, you made a mention about income and all, which is not required for this answer. He asked what are assets, what are liabilities. You could have simply told fixed assets in the form of land, building, machinery, cars, etc. Then other current assets in the form of loans and advances given to borrowers and monies kept with RBI or other banks. So those can be classified under current assets. And regarding liability side, the capital and profit and reserves will appear under liability side, plus the long-term liabilities and short-term liabilities such as the, say, deposits received by us will come under the liability side. That way you can be specific about it. Yeah, one more question, Gaurav, one more.
What do you mean by contingent liability in the bank's balance sheet? Since she is MA in economics, so they might be interested in knowing more about balance sheet and economics.
Yeah.
So I feel so.
What is contingent liability?
Contingent liability is like a it may not be present right now. It would come sometimes in the future. So they are expecting the liability will be coming.
May or may not.
Yeah, may or may not, right?
The liability may or may not. Can you tell the example for that?
Example. Sorry, sir, I don't remember any examples.
Liability on guarantees issued.
Okay.
See, when a bank issues a guarantee, it is not sure whether it will become a liability or not. So it will show under its liability. To counter that, bank will also take a counter guarantee from the customer that will appear under the assets.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
I think she's well
Thank you,
prepared,
Gaurav.
and she will have a good, response at the interview. She's well prepared. Only thing is that she has to be more confident. She is already confident, but she has to show it there. I think she should get selected.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for saying that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gaurav. Darsana, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You did well. Please attend the interview tomorrow. Which place you have interview? Calicut.
Kottayam, sir. Kottayam, 10:30 a.m.
Yeah, please attend and send the list of questions they are asking. Please go through the questions that have been already listed in the A 2023 interview questions. Up to whatever I have received till now, I have posted it there. And in fact, there only, I was, one candidate was asked very tough questions. Yeah, 1 minute. One candidate, in fact, he got so fed up, he went out of the group. He went out of the group, and then I brought him in. And my bringing him in was helpful, that he could tell me so many new questions like this. See, these are the tough questions they have asked, What can you infer from the results of Federal Bank? What can you infer from the results of Federal Bank? Please try to prepare for this. What are the global
sir.
conflicts now? How does it impact Indian economy? What is repo rate? What impact a change in report rate will cause on bank? A situation-based question where I will have to deal with an employee who always shouts at the customer. Then a role play where I am a front office manager and should induce a person visiting the branch to use Fed mobile. Then role and responsibilities of probationary officer. If you are posted in Kerala, where do you want to be? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Be ready for all these questions. Mostly these questions will be asked for you.
Okay, sir. I'll get prepared.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.